Why English uses do and does in negative and question forms. If you ever wondered, why can't we just say, you like coffee? Instead of, do you like coffee? Well, buckle up because the answer lies in the history, linguistics, and a Celtic twist. Okay, the answer isn't just about the style. It's also about the history and how English evolved into what we speak today. First, let's hop into our time machine and zoom back over 1,000 years back to Old English. Then, there was no do in the sentences. For example, questions and negative forms were like this. Have you a dog? No, I know him not. No do in sight, yeah? So what changed? English was just working fine. As you can see, the simple sentences are very similar to question forms and negative forms, so we may mix them up. Fast forward to Middle English around 1100 to 1500. The English grammar was undergoing a massive transformation. The old system of word endings called inflections were about to break down. That meant people needed new ways to make their question forms and negative forms clear. Let's enter periphrases. That's just a fancy way of saying grammar, and that's where do started to sneak into English. Did you know that English is the only language which does use do this way? Let's take a deeper look at the history. When Anglo-Saxons invaded Britain, they didn't wipe out the whole population. Celtic population started to speak the old language, but they started bringing up their own grammar rules to this language. Pretty soon, sentences like, do you have a dog became natural for English speakers, and that's why we are here now. By the time of early modern English, 1500 to 1700, do was here to stay. Even Shakespeare used it, but not consistently. We have phrases like, do you love me, as in modern language, and love you me, as in old language. Eventually, do became the standard thanks to London's influence and the spread of printed books. So I don't get it. Why do we use do? Because it makes English super clear. I have a dog. I don't have a dog. Do you have a dog? Let's compare them with Old English. I have a dog. Have you a dog? I have a dog not. They're pretty the same and very similar, and I mixed them up right now. And there you have it. This is the story of how do and does became English grammar superheroes. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your language learning buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun dives into English quirks. Thank you everyone. I'm Puya and I live English. Peace out.